Jamaica Got Talent, Anthony Miller.
Thanks. Next.
Wanna go home.
Keep it if you want to go home, I won't stop you. Thanks. I have to pass on that.
I like you. I think you're full of vibes and energy, and everybody's feeling the vibes. I am a yes to you.
Me shut it out loud, me no give bun, I me no take bun, me only buy bun, I me only eat bun. How you forgive me? I you can't take it. Me look good, me smell good, me a good eyes, me have it up there, me a wife.
Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got the 95, but baby, so do I.
Thanks. But nobody's going to believe you. Nobody's going to take you on a date if you look so, like, you know, weirded out. It's like, come on. Yeah, but give me a date vibe.
You're a reward.
Thank you very much. It was horrible. A lie?
Well, you can cry me a river.
Thanks. That was truly horrible. Don't like that. No, you can't. Please don't, because have mercy on me. No, thank you. That's it.
I still await on your loving.
While you're waiting, can we have another song?
Maybe if I don't cry, I won't feel any more. Stone cold back. But I'm never shown out here on my own.
Again, you can't sing. Sorry about that. It is
You
true.
have to stop it though, you're too awful.
Yeah.
You're too awful, you have to stop it. There's a big bully. You must stop it.
Okay.
You have to stay so.
Thank you very much.
You must stay so, you stay too bad.
Thank you very much. Next.